Good morning dear students, I am your English teacher. Today we shall discuss type 4. In previous video we discussed type 3. Today we shall discuss type 4. Type 4 is, look here on the board, notice for tours, fairs, exhibitions, campaigns, seminars, workshop, debates or group talk. Today we shall discuss type 4 on this topic. Before writing this notice, we shall keep remember some details or value points. Some details or value points. Some details or value points are here. Look here. The points given below are required while writing a notice for tours, fairs, exhibitions, campaigns, seminars, workshop or debates. How many points are there? We should keep remember, and those points are very important before writing this type of notice. The first is name and nature of the event. Second point, objective. Purpose. What is purpose? Why you are writing this notice? Occasion. Third point, subject of the program. Subject of the program, seminar, debate or workshop, etc. Next point is who can participate or attend this expenditure or entry fees. Suppose any tour is going to somewhere, so entry fees fee is applicable, means what charge you will take. Okay. Specific instruction, if there is any specific instruction you can mention in your notice. Next point is name of the organizer. Who is the organizer? Date, time, duration of the program. Next, place, venue, destination, speaker, chief guest, honorable person, inauguration, conclusion and contact details. These points are very important. You have to keep remember before writing this type of notice. We see how the question will come in your exam. How the questions will come in your exam. So look here on the board. The question will come just like this. You are Devyansh, head boy, Smart Indian Model School, Rampur. Write a notice for the school notice board inviting names for a trip to Mumbai and Goa, giving the detailed information to the student. This is the questions. And how you will write? First of all, you will write. You will make the box like this. Rectangular box you will make. And first of all, you will write here Smart Indian Model School. Second point, you will write in capital letters notice. Third point, you will write in the left hand side May 24, 2021. Fourth point, you will write the subject, main point, why you are writing this. Trip to Mumbai and Goa. This was the subject or topic. Now we shall start here. The school is organizing a trip to Mumbai and Goa during the summer vacations. It will be a 12-day trip in which only students of class 9th to 12th allowed to join. The details of the trip are duration. You can write the duration. How many duration is it? 15 June to 27 June. Mode of travel. How you will go, by air or by train. So Rajdhani Express. Accommodation, in 5-star hotel you will stay over there or in 4-star. So you will write here according to you, 4-star hotel. Next is total cost, 20,999 rupees per person, includes taxes and expenses. Interested students should register their names along with the total cost in cash or a demand draft drawn in favor of the school and a no objection note duly signed by their parents to the undersigned latest by this date. You can mention the date over there. This date, late entries will not be entertained. For further details, contact the undersigned. You may write here downside name Devyansh or head boy. This was a notice for the tour. A trip is going Mumbai to Goa, Mumbai and Goa. So how you have to take the participation of the students. Okay students, it was a type 4 notice for tours, fair, exhibitions, campaign, seminars, workshops, debates or group talk. In next video we will see the type 5 notice. Thank you very much students. Have an amazing day.